In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. So there's so many ways on how you can create or open a new spreadsheet, but if you already have a spreadsheet open and you want to add a new one or open a new one, here's how to do it. Quite simple, just go to File right here in the menu bar. If you click on it here at the top, you'll see New. If you hover over it and go to the right side, you'll have your spreadsheet option and your template gallery option. If you click on the spreadsheet option, this is what it's going to look like. So it's an empty spreadsheet where you can start creating your data or transferring your data. And again, you have your tables panel on the right side where you can add new tables or different type of tables for your data. Now, if we try and select the other options, so again, let's go back to File, select New, and go to From Template Gallery. If we click on this, it will simply open our interface with a template gallery ready for you to select. So if there is a specific template that you want to use in creating your new spreadsheet, all you have to do would be to scroll down and select that template. So once you've chosen the template that you want to use, all you have to do would be to click on it. Here, I'm just going to select the Gantt chart. Now, if you want to know how to use or edit this Gantt chart, I've created a separate video for this. I will be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. And here we have it. So we've created a new spreadsheet with an existing template by just going to File, going to New, and selecting from Template Gallery. And there you have it. Those were two easy ways on how you can create a new spreadsheet from an existing file here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.